Welcome to Cameron's cooking show, and today, Cameron's 7th episode. Today, we are making chicken kebabs and shish kebabs. Sorry, looking to the side. And we'll be right back. Welcome back. And these are we have 2 chicken kebab skewers and 1 shrimp. No, not shrimp. Shish lamb. Shish kebab skewer. And we're gonna take them out to the grill right now. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Cameron's Cooking Show. Right now we're putting the chicken kebabs and shish kebabs on the grill. But first you need to add the avocado oil spray. Or any olive oil spray.
Well, since we did that,
we're just gonna put them on the grill. Wow, how fascinating. We're gonna wait till all of them are on the grill till we go back on a break. We'll be right back after this break. Bye. Welcome back to Cameron's Cooking Show. So look how good our food came out. We put them on the grill for 10 minutes, but every 2 minutes you turn them about a quarter turn.
until they're done.
And thank you and enjoy these, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.